Well, as you heard, Olivia was running and running great. All I did was squirt a little starter fluid in there. I may not even had to do that because it started and ran great. I did have an issue with the pull cord, so we're going to go in and fix that. A lot of you guys may recognize this problem where you go to pull the cord. I hope this thing doesn't start. I'm going to pull it real gently. And then you see how slack it is? It doesn't retract. So I'm going to go in and see if I can repair that on Olivia. And then I'll have me an awesome mower. 4-wheel drive Toro. It's probably a $500 or $600 mower. The blade is excellent, so this mower hadn't been used much, even though it's kind of ugly. I'm going to set the camera down because it is so hard to get up on this table because those wheels don't clear very well. That's one of the problems with these Toros, is that they sit a little different than some of the other ones. Sometimes I have to put a block under it to get it to go up on the table, so let's go ahead and do that. Get that out of there to get it centered. Get this centered. Let's see if I can get this baby up there. Tilt it back on that block. Try and slide it forward. Yeah. Alright, got that stuck there. Same thing again. What happens, the back of the mower touches the ground and this won't work. Let me see if I can get it up there now. I don't know if I'm close enough. I think I am. So, this is the air filter that came out of there. So obviously that one is going to have to be replaced. Move back this way up a little bit. It's a big mower. This thing was full of gasoline, so what was happening, a little bit of gas I smelled was leaking out around the cap. It was, just a few drops, not much. So let's take a look at this rewinder. Hope the screws aren't too bad. Oh, it's about Hades kind. Get the special screwdriver for that, which is one of these instead of a Phillips head. I forget what you call these, but I've got a set of them that I got a long time ago. It's that kind. Maybe I haven't picked out the right size on the first one. See if it'll slip in there. I think I picked one that was too big, so let me try the next size down. See if that's it. I lost a handle to this little set of screwdriver bits. Yeah, I think that's it. But what you can do is get your get a quarter inch socket and put that on there. And then you can use your ratchet wrench to get it off. So that's what we're going to do. Of course, this thing is constantly wanting to fall out, so you kind of have to hang on to it. Let's see if I can get this thing started here. But I've got to get this rewinder where it works better. There we go. I think it's in there now. Nope, It's slipping. I gotta get that. It's in that. That screw. Make sure this. Might not want to come out very easily. Maybe I'll get. There it goes. Maybe I can get one out anyway. See if it's got a switch in here. Appears to be the right one. Maybe not. We try a little smaller. Maybe it's smaller yet. That's maybe the same size. There's one stick in. Oh yeah, that was it. Okay. They have the wrong size bit in there. Thankfully, it appears to be coming out because these things are. And I sometimes replace these with Phillips heads because these things are kind of hard to deal with. Like sometimes the Toro doesn't really want us homeowners trying to go under here. So let's get that one loose, I think. I'm going to get this one loose. All right, let me get my magnet on the stick. Got that screw out, and got that screw out. So that's what they look like. But I may replace these with Phillips head because these things are so annoying to try and get to come out. But that should do it. I think there's only 2 screws. I've got to be careful, and this has been left outside, in my opinion. So I'm looking to see if there's any critters under here. Well, they're gonna get me. Okay, no wasps have come flying out yet. That's okay. Now this is the, let me show you this. I think my screen went blank there for a minute. I hope not. Anyway, it says I'm low on battery, but this is the linkage for the self-priming feature. And clearly that's gotta get that stuff out of there. And once I get that out, I can look at this and see if it works properly, which it does. That's probably why it was running so good. So maybe the self-prime would have worked, and I didn't even need starter fluid, but yeah, it's all working okay. Anyway, I'm going to shut this off now because I'm running out of battery anyway, so stay tuned. We're going to get this rewinder off and get it fixed.